Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once the app opens, you will find the story icon at the very top left corner. Tap on it to open your story editor. Select a photo from your mobile media library to add to your story. To add multiple photos, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like an emoji. Once you find it, tap to open it. In the stickers menu, locate the photo option and tap on it. Now select another photo from your phone library to add to your story. You can adjust the position of the image by dragging them on the screen and resize them as needed. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the arrow icon to share it. And that's it. This is how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.